Meddling boss, nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. You are sleeping with somebody's husband. You think it's going to last forever. You are hiding. If it's even somebody else's husband, we can even say, okay, you went far. Your own best friend, you are sleeping with her husband. That is bad of you, meddling boss. I'm talking to you. You are seeing me. It's not anybody. It's me, Malan Shaibu. I'm telling you that what you are doing is bad. That is what's happening now. Nobody want to look for their own. Everybody, we have now tip everywhere. But you don't look for your own. That one that is your friend own. Is that what you want to eat? There are men everywhere now. You don't want to look for your own man. That's your best friend husband is the one you want to chop. Can you imagine this meddling boss? You are even calling the man opium. Opium? Your best friend husband, you are calling him opium. Kichu Ovenchi. Even the man, we even need to slap that man. You have time. Which man will stay and send long message on WhatsApp? Look at the long message he's sending now. You don't have time. You have time. You don't have work now to cheat on your wife with her best friend. That is what I'm talking about. Morals have left. No more morals again. Everybody do what they like. Some of you that are watching me now, I'm talking, you are sleeping with your best friend husband. Some women don't like to get new one. That one that is their best friend boyfriend, their best friend husband, that is the one they want to eat. Your best friend will tell you, hey, Tonya, my boyfriend wants to take us out and come and join us. You will go and dress hot, wear something short. Your whole laughs are outside. You wear spaghetti. When the boy comes, the boy will be looking at you. The boy will even, your best friend boyfriend will toast you. Instead of you to say, no, Tony, don't do that. You will even be picking his call. The next thing you want to test what your best friend is testing. That is bad. Morals have left. You want to be eating what is not your own. Tip. Everybody is a tip. You that are watching this video and you are sleeping with your best friend, boyfriend, or husband, you better repent. You better change, or else a thunder that will fire you. Even the man, you leave your family at home. You will not even take care of your family. In the house, you will be tightening your face, boning your face. You will not smile, commando in the house. But when you leave the house and go to your girlfriend's house, you are Mr. Evil, very funny. You make even your girlfriend, you make her laugh, make her friends laugh. They'll know you're a comedian that time. Bad thing don't last forever. Look at that idiot that is blackmailing Empress Jama. They have catch him. Nothing you do that is bad that will last. You say you want to blackmail a woman, sending her picture online, disgracing her. Now they've catch you. The luck you will even have that they will not carry you and pass Nigeria, because we will beat the hell out of you. We are waiting for you now. Bad thing don't last forever. That's why I'm telling meddling boss, you mess up. You leave all the men, the one that you want is that one that your best friend is eating. That one that your best friend marry is the man you want to. And the worst thing is that you are going out with this your best friend. You do things with her. She's your friend. You eat together. She even tell you her secrets. And you still go behind her back to eat her husband. That is bad. So many women are doing this thing. Sleep with their best friend husband. Sleep with their friend husband. Sleep with your friend boyfriend. If the man meet you, tell him, no, I don't want. I'm not that kind of person. That because of tip that is in your eye, tip, you will not even reject that thing. You want to chop that one that your best friend is eating. is wrong. Bad thing is now normal. Some men, man, they will just, how can you live? You live par, you come near to commit the bad thing. I don't know why. If you are watching this video and you know you've had experience of a very bad friend that have done you something, this kind of thing, comment in this comment section and tell us your experience. Share the video so that that bad person will even see it and know that somebody can tell them to their face that they are wrong and they are bad. Wallahi, today I'm not even happy because that meddling boss even hi la ilaha illallah ya Muhammad. This one touched me. Your best friend, you even go to the house, you will be calling her husband or him. No more shame. If you are watching this video, share this video. I want them to see it. No, because there are some people that are doing this thing. I want them to see this video so that their conscience will even kill them. Share the video, let them see it. Share the video, let the video go to them. Let them understand that what they are doing is bad. Morals have left. If you want to trend online, trend for a better thing, not a bad thing. See, now she's trending for a bad thing. Everybody is saying that meddling boss now is a bad person. And now, look at it, you are trending for a bad thing. If you want to trend for a good thing. Trend that you buy a house, trend that you buy a car, trend that you got married, trend for good thing. Don't trend for bad thing. If you are doing this thing, you are watching this video and you are that kind of person that you don't want to eat your own, don't want to look for your own, is that one that your friend have that you want to tip, you better stop it. Don't forget to share this video and drop your comments. My name is Malan Shaibu. I'm the Spice Creator. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That is your business. Pardon the way I'm shouting because this one paid me. That's why. Thank you.